In a well-lit, clean, and dry location, begin unpacking the scale. Check to make sure the scale is not damaged. Ensure you retain packing material in the event the scale needs to be moved or shipped in the future. Locate the manual and review the parts list, which should include scale feet, handrail connectors, batteries, and communication cable. Unpack the handrails and set aside. With 2 people, lift the scale out of the box by its base. Be careful not to lift by the center rail, as this may damage the hinges. Set the scale on a hard, level surface with enough room to move around the scale as it is being assembled. Using the included Allen wrench, loosen the screw and remove the nut on each center rail hinge. With 2 people, raise the center rail to the upright position. Replace the nut on the screw for each hinge and tighten. Locate the handrail connectors and screws and attach to the handrails. The connector has a wide and narrow edge. Ensure you use the correct orientation so the connector creates a flush connection to the handrail. Once both handrail connectors are installed, tip the scale back to the floor and install the handrail base screws. Screw in the feet until they stop, then unscrew 2 full turns. There must be clearance between the scale and floor for the scale to weigh accurately. The feet should not be tight against the scale. Return the scale to its upright position. Insert the batteries or attach the AC adapter. Assembly is now complete.